Everyone, welcome to our next series of Flutter. Today what we are going to implement is a staggered grid view. So let me get into a session. First thing let me see about my pubspec file. I have imported two packages. This is nothing but Flutter staggered grid view, and next one is a transparent image. A Flutter staggered grid view package is used to implement a staggered grid, and transparent image which is used to add some animation to our image which is in a staggered grid, right? And let me view into a main.dot file. In my main.dot file I have a class which is in the name of staggered grid category. Inside it is in the form of stateful widget. Inside my widget I have a list of images from this is nothing but online images which is used to implement in our staggered grid to make more attractive. And next one is coming to a main widget. Here I have a background color with black, and we are going to implement our staggered grid here. First of all, before implement a staggered grid, I have to implement three things. Like I have in this application we are going to implement welcome text with a message, and then we have a staggered grid. So it should be in a form of column, right? So I'm calling my child of safe area as column, and let me have a children of our columns, right? So my first children is nothing but a text. So here I don't have a half bar, so I have some space at the top. Next thing is, first thing I have to implement a text, right? So I have my text. It says welcome to gallery. Let me name it as a gallery. And next thing I have to implement a style of my text. So a style of a text followed by text style with the font of, let me give a font size as 30, which is nothing but it's an initial text, right? So it will be a header, right? So I give it as a size of 30. Let me set as a font weight as normal one, right? And next one, let me give as a color as white. So let me run and see our app whether we have our text is shown. Yeah, we have a text, right? So next thing we are going to have a next text, which is nothing but size box height as, let me give a space for my size box as 10. Again here I have one text, right? Next I have to implement another text. Next text as let me give a next text as, what are you looking for? What are you looking for? Let me align those text as let me, no, I doesn't need any alignment. So let me give a style as I have here text, right? So let me give text style as, let me give a font size as 20 because it will be a header too. And next thing, let me have a font weight as normal. Font weight as normal. And next, finally, we have color as, let me give a gray color. And okay, so we have a second text. Let me see our output. Yeah, it will be fine, right? So let me jump into a design of a staggered grid view. So have a full concentration here. Let me give some space of 8 of 10. Right. So let me jump into a staggered grid view. Let me give it as an expanded. So you can say it as an expanded child of, let me give us a container. Container of, let me give us a margin as agent sets for all sides, as let me give a value as 12. Okay, next thing, we are going to have a child which is nothing but a, it's nothing but our staggered grid. Staggered grid view, yeah, this one. Sorry, we don't need these things. With a count builder. Okay, so what is my cross axis count? Is it will be as 2 because we only have 2 columns of grid. And next one is axis spacing is nothing but a 10. We have to give cross axis spacing using as 10, and main axis spacing this need to be given. Let me give it as a 12. Coming to an item builder, we have to implement item builder here. And before item builder, we need to implement an item count, right? So item count as, I have a list form, so image view dot, let it be length. So now let it jump into item builder. Here I am taking context with index of those arrays. This one is return declaration of location, color as, we are giving color as we have a transparent color. transparent color. Next one is border radius as border radius is border radius dot all. Yes, radius dot circular as 15. Another child is or right. We have a border radius as radius border radius dot all. Let me give all border radius as 15 and it will be in the form of circular, right? So this dot circular of as 15. Next one, we are going to implement our image inside our plate, right? So here I am using a fade in image dot memory network. Here I have placeholder. I need to implement a placeholder which is nothing but a transparent image. So it should be as we are having above hearted to implement placeholder, right? So my placeholder is colors. Okay, transparent image which is from a transparent image package. So I implement this with an image. We are having an image in the form of list. So we calling that image list of every indexes. So we have those thing, right? And finally we have to fit it inside our boxes, right? So I implement a box fit as cover images. So yeah, box fit dot cover. Yeah, almost we have did our part, and one more thing we have is nothing but a staggered tile builder. In this inside this builder we have implement our list form, right? So I have to call our index here. So index of return staggered category. No, we have a staggered tile here, right? Sorry. So we have to gather our staggered tile count. So yeah, here it is. So first we initially give our cos axis cell count as 1, and we will implement it as if the index is even, right? Index is even, it will be as 1.2 or it will be as 1.8 of count. So finally, yeah, And we have one more issue. Where is that? Yeah, inside a container, so we have to close our container. And yeah, that's all about our staggered grid. So let me see whether what's the output is. It's reloading. Yeah, we have our staggered grid, right? And yeah, it's scrollable too, right? Because of network issues, some images are gets slow loading, so we can solve this issue by implementing it. We have our view on the code, what mistake we have there, like we have expanded. Yeah, everything is fine. If anyone facing issue, we can also use flexible instead of expanded. Yeah, there is a flexible. We can use this one as inside of column instead of expanded. So using this also, it will be working very fine. As I said, like it is reloaded, and yeah, we have our staggered review is working perfectly. So that's all about this session. Hope you enjoyed this session. Please provide your valuable feedbacks as a comment and like those videos if you like it, and please share and please subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more Flutter videos. Thanks for your support. Thank you. Bye.